Yeah, my people, DJ King Kenny again, and I'm blogging for MSE TV. So, like me say, big up Miss Sam, big up. You don't know every member of MSE TV, and people, remember go and subscribe. You understand, to MSE TV channel. You understand, and also click the notification button so whenever a new video is uploaded, you get it. And remember, MSC had a lot of bloggings, they have a lot of movie, you understand, there's a lot of things going on over there. So go over to MSC TV and check it out, you understand. DJ King Kenny representing Jamaican Germany. So right now I'm your host, and what I want to get into today is the corona situation at the moment. You understand? Because I'm living in Europe, you understand, they said how much cases in Italy, how much cases are in Spain and in Germany, even we're here where I'm living. You understand? At the end of the day, 99% of the reggae dancehall fans in Europe, I know them from the big festival I played at, like Summer Jam, Reggae Jam. But what I'm trying to say, I'm seeing all of these countries getting back together, putting their pieces together. You understand? Restaurants been open, the hardwares, the clothes store, shouldn't almost for the last 2 weeks. Everything has been open. But when I check it out and I look down Jamaican side, you understand? Because all of my family is living there, or 90%. But at the end of the day, the Prime Minister, they are doing nothing. All I'm seeing is curfew, curfew, curfew. You understand? And just think about it. You have other places in the world like China where it started. They're back on their feet. The factories are open. And. You understand? So I don't understand why are they closing down the country. You understand? Why are they setting back the music industry? Everybody's looking towards Jamaica for their holiday, for certain things. There is so much people in Jamaica. They're just living from the tourists who visit. You understand what I'm saying? Nobody can fly. The borders are closed. I'm not saying this is not supposed to happen. What I'm trying to say is the Prime Minister is supposed to start thinking, what's the next step? You understand? So that everything go back to normal. That's what every other country in the world are doing at the moment. Even America, the president planning and opening back this and that and whatsoever there. But all I'm saying, it's so less cases in Jamaica. You understand? Then do it like in Germany then. Everybody's supposed to wear their masks if they cannot enter like any public places or public transport, or yeah, do something like that. But stop this curfew thing and locking down the country. I don't know if maybe it's in the interest to use corona to fight crime, which I could understand, but let the people them know, because a lot of people, they are losing their mind, they're hungry, they sell on the street for a living. Where, tell me, Mr. Prime Minister, where these people gonna get food? You understand? The people who live from the tourists. I grew up making shirts like this, the family. You understand? We sell it to the people them who is on the beach, and they sell back to the tourists. That's the same job some of my family are in right now. They can't make a dollar. You understand me I say? Because everything closed down. So Mr. Prime Minister, please, I'm begging you, the whole politician, check that out. You understand? Think about it very fast, move quickly, you understand? And find a way so that the people can get back on their feet. The market people, the higglers. You understand me I say? The DJs, there's so much entertainers in Jamaica. So much artists. They need to tour, open the borders. You understand? Yeah. So, I'm King Kenny. I'm blogging for MSC TV. Remember to share and remember to subscribe. I'm out. Big up.
Back for your bend, girl, you bend, girl, you bend. Wine for a man, girl, friend. Back for your bend, girl, you bend, girl, you bend. Physically fit, you know, them. Back for your bend, girl, you bend, girl, you bend. Wine for a man, girl, friend. Back for your bend, girl, you bend, girl, you bend. Physically fit, you know,
Hand
them.
on your knees, wine for me please. Me dip on your body like say a cool breeze. Bubble up like when pot a steam. You know scary, Halloween.